Hi guys, I'm from listening to Lynette Adkins on YouTube. She has an amazing channel and she's so inspirational to my journey now. And I really, if you are also on a journey like this, like you're working on becoming your authentic self, or you're working on something that no one has worked on before, if you're just like trying with life like I am, you can check out her channel. So excited to be back doing this and sharing much more content with you. So today, so this video is going to be it's going to be so informative. First of all, I am going to show you my journey before and when I tried to do hair and hair stuff, like my hair, and not like I also did braiding, but that's a whole different story. But my hair and my journey, I'm still trying, I'm not yet there, but I'll show you a video I made for a company. So I'll show you how we worked with L'Oreal Paris. I'll tell you about their products, stuff like that. So first, I do my makeup. Let's get into this video. So this is how this is a video from 2019, if I'm not wrong, and I'm still in awe of the company. And yeah, I still use some of their products. It's called Mikalla, so check it out. Oh my god, it's been I don't remember the last time I watched that video. It felt like my first time. If you guys felt the way I felt watching that video, damn, like oh my god, it was so cute. Like I should definitely do that again. Like the styles are so cute, and the way the hair curled up, oh my gosh, wow. Like oh my god. So I'm going to give you a brief history. The reason I made that video is Mikalla, the hair product, they were having a Bantu Note challenge. So my friend, she has her, this is a social media page, she does hair too. She's told me like let's do it, let's do the challenge. And I was already using the color products, so that's why you can see pictures of the product and yeah, all that stuff. So we did the Bantu notes, we let them stay in for over 24 hours, and so it's got so amazing. It had like all these ideas in my head. I had like, oh, how this video would turn out. So I was taking like different shots. An amazing experience, and I have rewatched that for after all these years, and I can still see them, girl. Like, did you see the perfs, the curl, the vibe? And then I had a shoot. I wish I had like a shoot, or like an official professional shoot. So that was it. It was amazing. So I got to work with L'Oreal. They gave me their products. So here is the package I got the product in. This is Mizani Texture Love since 1991. Yeah, guys, here I have all the cute products. We're going to talk about them and we're going to use one of the products. So on a previous video, we got to use the treatment, the curling creams, 2 curling creams, and yeah, the mousse, which unfortunately broke. So today I'm going to just like introduce all the products in general, all the products I got. They have more products, And I think this, I'm not so sure, but I think this is a collabo between Mizani and L'Oreal, and then they launched early this month. We got to do the modeling. Here is one pic of me and some of the other models. Here's another pic. Yeah, it was so fun. It was so fantastic. And so I'll just show you the products, then we can fix up my hair, and then I can braid my hair. I'm going to like introduce the products to you while showing you photos of the modeling and how it's when we were launching the product. Then I'll show you a nice professional video that was taken initially. This was initially prior the launch. So yeah, and then we'll call it a wrap. As mentioned on my previous video, I got 2 treatments. Guys, as you know, treatment is very important for your hair. Treatment helps you in preventing breakage. So I had treated my hair, and yeah, so I just washed it with. I had treated with both. One of them is for this one is the one that gives you the luxurious feel, and this one gives you the natural feel. They have different, they look different a bit, but like you can't really tell. I think this one is higher. The luxurious feel is higher in glycerin. It has 3% glycerin, while the one in the natural feel one, it's less it has less glycerin, just 2.5% glycerin. And I think what it does is the natural feel has less shine over the other one. Whatever glycerin does, the luxurious feel does it more. Yeah, so those are the treatments. They are both amazing, I have to say. Like the first time I used this treatment, my hair texture just changed. So what happened is I was washed. You'll see that video. I was washed, and then the treatment was applied. I used the natural feel treatment, and immediately I got out of the dryer, I could just feel my hair. Like it was of different texture. It was amazing. Yeah. So that's the treatment. What I did today was I washed my hair with shampoo. So my hair had built up, and I used this shampoo. It had built up, it had product build up because I had used a lot of product without washing for a while. And so this shampoo, it is anti buildup cleansing jelly, and yeah, and then there's the other shampoo which is it's a moisturizer, and it just that's okay. Like for build up, when you have build up and when you've taken a while before washing your hair, you would better use this shampoo that's for anti build up. So I'll show you the product. The product is colorless as compared to the other one that's more. This one is more colorless, as you can see, while the other one is white, as you can see. Yeah, it's a weird way of showing people shampoo, but I didn't want to dirtify anything. Yeah, so I got 2 shampoos, one for build up and one for moisture. I just know it's not like they're both cleansers. They both do the shampoo work, which is cleansing. I don't have so much feedback about this one because I've not used it much. So Curls Reviver Leave-In. I don't even think it's a leave-in treatment, guys. I think it's just a product that you apply and you can braid your hair when it's in. Other curl revivers, you like apply them, let them soak in, then you rinse them. Like treatment that's not leave-in. So I think this is curl reviver that you have on your hair. You apply on your hair and you can have it in without having to rinse it out. Yeah, I don't think it. Yeah. I'm starting to see their vibe. I haven't used this one. It's still brand new, but I'm going to use it today. But I guess I'm glad I was making this video, and when I realized that it's not really a leave-in treatment. I have the other 2 products. These products were discussed in my previous video. You can check it out here. So this is, I'm just going to remind you guys, this is the long lasting intensive leave-in moisturizer. and this is the definition activator leave-in. Now you see the way they use the word leave-in. Yeah, these are products that you can apply on your hair without having to rinse them out. You can braid your hair after you've applied them. You can, yeah, just do whatever with your hair. So they're just products that you don't have to rinse out, like shampoo and this other treatment. So yeah, and my last product is making us a bit sad. It's because it broke and I cannot access the product, guys. L'Oreal, if you're watching this. Okay guys, so before we proceed, I wanted to show you how I'm going to use the leave-in curl reviver. I'm using it because it's more watery and it will help my hair not to be sticky or too annoying to like braid, because I'm going to spray my hair with both this and water in order to comb through so I don't feel pain while being braided. So much healthier now. Like, it's a lot healthier than it has ever been. Yeah, I'm obsessed with conditioner, and this is the first time my hair looks so healthy when it has just been washed with shampoo. I have complete faith in conditioner, and now I'm just shocked that my hair is fine without conditioner. Unbelievable. So the shampoo, I think it has conditioning in it, because like, look at that sheen, guys. Look at that sheen. Look, treatment does its magic, and my texture has never been this good. So I'm just going to wet my hair a bit, just to the front because it's wet inside when I washed it.
Everything that happens is motivation.
So I'm just trying to comb through it so that it can be the easiest to braid. Look at that, guys. Look at how the comb is just going through. It's a miracle.
Everything that happens is motivation. I regard the work of motivation the most important work in the history of man. Everything that happens is motivation.
I have to figure out what I'm going to share on my next video before I end this video so that it can keep me accountable. I guess I can also talk about how I quit my previous job. I don't know, you guys can tell me what you think in the comments, but I will share one, which is next week. The two videos, I know one was professionally done, but between the two videos I loved the first video. I guess it's because there was so much vibe in it. I don't know. Just comment below which video you liked, and if you have anything to ask, if you have anything to add, just leave it in the comments below. I will get to it. Other than that, feel free to share this video with your friends and anyone who might benefit from this product. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment. Also, see you on the next video. See you on the next one, guys. Bye.